Hi guys, today we'll be making this awesome yummy winter snack. I'm sure you're going to love it, and the fact that it's really healthy as well makes it even more amazing. So let's get started. I'm adding in 1 cup of wheat flour. Then I'm adding in half cup of jowar flour, high protein, 1/4 cup of gram flour or besan, 1/4 cup of buckwheat flour or kuttu ka atta, and 2 cups of chopped fenugreek leaves, methi ke leaves, which are extremely great for your hair, heart. They help to reduce cholesterol and they're great for your gut, skin as well. Adding in 1/4 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of nigella seeds or kalonji, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder, and some salt to taste. Adding in 1/4 cup of fresh coriander and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So we are going to mix all these ingredients with our hands well first before adding any water, and we are going to knead it into a dough. So we are going to add water as required, little by little, not like in one go, and we have to knead a tight dough. So basically what I have done is I have used only 1 cup of wheat. Other than that, for the other cup I kept it a mix of different flours, as you must have seen. So we've also used buckwheat flour, which is great for your digestion. It's high in protein, great for people who have anemia, and it's great for your bone health as well. Now I'm greasing my palm with some oil, and I'm also greasing this steamer plate with some oil. Now we are going to just make these rolls. Like I'll make 3 rolls from the dough. Once they are done, place them on the steamer plate and steam it for about 15 minutes on low to medium flame. So you need to cover and cook it for around 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes we'll just cut them into bite-sized pieces. So it looks like this, and you need to let it cool down completely before you cut it. Like, don't cut it while it's hot. Now in a pan I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm gonna add in some mustard seeds or sarso. Then I'm gonna add in 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds and some fresh curry leaves. Adding in 1 green chilli. Now we are going to pan fry our muthias, and we are going to do that for about 7 to 10 minutes each side on low flame. So when we are using less oil, we need to give it more time to cook, and they turn really crispy if you have little bit of patience. So like keep it for 7 to 10 minutes each side, and once they get nice and crispy golden brown in color on the outside, they are done. You can enjoy them with some green chutney or some tomato chutney, however you like. These are super duper yum. Like, I can't even tell you how yummy these are. So do try them and let me know your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.